Wanna take my horse and turn road. Right to the gate no more. And don't take it all. Bakit ka mag-ginagawa? Hi, Honey Bear. Hi, Jojo. Hi, Malumba. Big. Maluma, big. What's your problem, huh? See! Ano ka, Tamara, ha? Ginugulo mo ako, ha? Hi, Teddy. Ay, nawawala na. Yeah, yeah, she let me down. I don't wanna fight. Mga high blood. Ano sa laptop? Ano? Thanks. Hi, Leonard. Pag nasira yung laptop ko, ayos mo. Used for high value or commercial goods. Requires complete documents and custom receipt. Informal stuff. Grabe, hindi ko to itong mga alam na to. Ngayon ko lang ito nalalaman. Itong hindi talaga nag-aaral ng about. Actually, kasi ko talaga ito alam mga ito. Ngayon ko lang nalalaman. Bakit kayo, just bakit kayo magtumal? Ano kayong meron? Bakit magtumal? Okay. Large and filling of goods means the process of submitting document to custom to declare goods for import. It's when the importer or exporter fails to submit the goods declaration and required documents, so custom can check access, taxes, and approve the release goods. In short, lodgement and... Wala ko naintindihan. Hey, DJ Calyx. Wala ko naintindihan. No. She did it all. I did it. Hi, Eyes in Me. Hello, pa-follow back Linda. Sure po. Thank you. Till what time yan? Yung alin? Ito? Lodgement and also known as it is process of official declaring involved submitting report documents for that allowed. Thank you, Jess. Ano ba yan? Minsan na nga magbigay si Jess, biglang ganun pa. Thank you, Ice! Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Custom clearance are regular. What's the question first? Define custom clearance. Thank you so much. Custom clearance of is the process of getting official approved from custom goods that require special permits of a license before they can enter the country. In simple terms, it's me checking and completing all the documents for registering it so they can be legal important. Oh, okay. If you asa mood ako. Kaya nga ano kayang ano? Hi, Rock at Hi, Raha. Thank you, Jess. Sana lagi kang nasa mood. Para lagi ako nabibigyan.
Bebe, mahal kita! Mula ulo hanggang uki.
Thank you po. Sino to? Hi, Black Box. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Okay, guys, I'm done. I'm done. Gonna take my time road. Right to the gate, no more. And don't take it all.
Bakit ka magkagawa?
Hi, Honey Bear. Hi, Jojo. Hi, Malumba Big. Maluma Big.